Hey, it's Greg Hoyt here, and I want to welcome you to my product review. Before we get started, if you're struggling to create an online income, I have good news for you. For a limited time, my 3 successful internet marketing coaches have opened up a few spots for new members who are interested in getting the training they need and have been looking for since they started their online marketing journey. And we're seeing some amazing things in there. This member here got these sales in his first 3 days of joining the group. This member had some more sales. And look at the sales that this member had. So we're really seeing some great things, and I think that it's something that you should think about for yourself. And we're able to ask questions and get answers from not only the members in our group, but from our coaches as well on a daily basis. So if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coaches to help you build your online income up to $10,000 a month, then check out the first link in the description below. Also, I'm offering several nice bonuses you'll get if you pick it up through me. Bonus number 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus number 2, we'll show you how to rank your videos at the top of YouTube search results. Bonus number 3 will be the Middleman Money course. And this will show you how to be a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus number 4 is how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. I also have several more bonuses that you can check out in the description below. The link to grab the product will be the second link in the description below. So now let's get started with the product review. Now let's take a look at the sales page. World's first 9-in-1 AI app that rivals Photoshop and Midjourney. AI creates breathtaking designs and stunning graphics in minutes. Publish to our built-in marketplace and make $521 to $750 a day. Comes with 2,000 done-for-you templates. Creates 3D box shots, mock-ups, eCovers, product bundles, logos, social media designs, banners, flyers, website designs, presentations, and business cards. And you can do it all from one single dashboard. Generate stunning designs with AI without learning any complicated apps and spending time wondering how to do it. You can sell your designs on our marketplace and keep 100% of the profits. Never pay a designer ever again. Comes with your commercial license. Dzign will even line up customers for you. 34 beta testers made profit in the first week from their marketplace. And it's newbie friendly, even an 8-year-old could do it. Next thing I want to show you are some of the different features here. So here's the box shots on your left and mock-ups on your right. Those look pretty nice, actually. Here's your product bundle box shot. eCovers on the right. Logos on the left. Got your flyers on the right. Websites on your left. Different designs to choose from. On your right, here's some of the banner ads templates that they have. And they'll even create business cards. So, all in all, it looks like a pretty professional design system. And, I think it's actually an upgrade over all the many of the similar type products that we've seen come out in the last couple years. So anyway, hope you find that interesting. Now let's move on to the upsells. So the front end product is looks like it's $17. OTO1 is $67. That's probably Pro. It doesn't list what these are, so you can see the prices there. OTO is $297, OTO3 is $47, and so on and so forth. So we'll have to wait and see what those are all about. So anyway, those are the upsells. So in a nutshell, Dzign has some very powerful design features that you'll be able to use when creating anything from eCovers to product bundles to flyers and more. So now let's take a look at their videos. Okay, we're back. So the product looks like a great value that will save you a lot of time and money. The link to grab the product will be the second link in the description below. And remember, if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month, then be sure to click on the first link in the description below. And don't forget my exclusive bonuses if you purchase the product through me. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.